Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to share with you on how to use this. Okay, disclaimer, this is not sponsored. And obviously, as you can see, it is very dirty. So today I'm going to show you on how to clean this. Because if you use the ordinary detergent, you cannot just clean it really. So I will show you something that we will not use a detergent to clean this oily thing. But before that, I'm going to show you on how to use this one, guys. Disclaimer, this is not sponsored. So the first steps is you have to, this is the step number 1. Here, you have to remove this, but we will not do it just for demonstration. Then next, you have to prepare, of course, your potato. Chop your potato as this size. And then, the next steps is, you have to check this, what kind of food you are cooking. If you're having a fish, or this kind of something like donuts or chicken and french fries. So these are the corresponding temperatures. This is a mushroom, fish. This is fritos like the donuts, chicken and french fries. So corresponding temperature here, so you have to adjust. So since I'm cooking french fries, so I'm gonna put here or in between if you don't want very hot. Okay, so step 1, 2, then you have to click this one. This is the power on, off, that is off, that is on. Then the next steps is you have to open this. Okay. Retract, push back, then up. Okay, so then that's the next steps. Just in case you have this kind of cooking utensils in your home. Then the next is this one, push button. Press this one to open. Okay, so that's how dirty it is. And of course, since the oil is dirty, we need to clean it, guys. So this is a big cleaning we need to do. So the oil, if you want to save it, I will show you something on how I will use it. How will I clean it. So for now, this is for now. So if you want, you can clean this one too, wash it. So if you want to, if you're not ready, you will just sit aside. There is something like that. Okay, so you will put your french fries and then submerge when you have french fries. So you have to control. Okay, so that's how dirty. So I will show you how I clean it, guys. Although I will not show you the whole thing, but I will show you on how to clean it. So all you need to do is make sure you have this kind of thing and use a lemon. It should be warm so that it is effective. So, for those people who are not aware, this is just a water and a lemon. So, see how effective it is, how it cleans. So, you can just see. Just to show you guys, and try it on your own. So, since this is food, I prefer to clean only just this one, because there is no product that will adhere. So it's really ecologic and natural. So I cannot talk too much because it's already midnight here, and I'm just making this video to upload for tomorrow's schedule. So I hope this will help. So can you see how effective it is? And then get another one to dry. So make sure it is dry, guys. So the one you can see that is underneath, you have to clean the back side as well. So can you see, guys, how? Hang on, it moves. Yes, I need to clean here to the side. So you have to continue cleaning it, and honestly, one time I tried to clean it with sabong or the detergent, liquid detergent, does not work. So this one, I find it really effective. So can't you see there's a dust here? Oh. So cleaning motivation, guys. Can't you see how effective it is? So you don't need to buy detergent just to wash this kind of cooking stuff. So can you see? That one that is at the back, you need to clean at the back. So far, guys, can't you see? If you can still find like there's still an oil, you have to continue wiping it. I don't have much. I need to pick up the supala, the roll. So it should be warm so that it is effective. Just continue wiping if you can still see an oil. I really assure you guys, it's really effective. So you need to clean the whole thing of this one. So this one will really take so much time, especially if it is like long time. It's been a long time that you have been cleaning. So we will see here, guys. I will show you here. Because this one is so dirty, so better to watch this one here. How it will look clean. Hang on. I will not show you the whole thing because this will take so much time, guys. It will make our video very long. Can you see? So you have to be patient. Just scrub it. Scrub. But this is just to show you guys, because usually before I clean it, I should remove the oil. So that's the best steps to avoid just to reuse the oil if you like. But if it is so dark, for me, it's not ideal to reuse it. But if it is still clear, but there is a way to make that oil clear again. So I will show you. next time, but not this time. So can you see, guys? So this one is a bit stubborn. You have to brush it because that is really stubborn one. So that is kind of thick. So you have to be patient to remove it. So this one will really take time and need to warm perhaps the casserole. You have to warm this one, then clean it right away. One way to help this clean, warm this one because kind of thick, can you see? But for the outside, it's easy to clean. This one too, look. Make sure your water is hot so that you can easily clean it. Okay, so try it on your own, guys, and you can see the difference. So I will not show you the whole process because especially this one, it will take time to scrub because that's kind of thick. So that's it. So if you want to know the effectivity, you have to try it on your own. So you can see, not bad. Okay, so I will not show you the whole thing, guys, because this one is too dirty. Takes so much time. Well, thank you so much for today, and I hope you learned something. And I will show you again. I will see you again next time. Bye for now, guys. So this is our ingredient. Just if you want to chop it in a tiny pieces, much better. That will make it very effective. So there's still a lot of cleaning to do. Just to remove the oil. So I'm gonna finish my cleaning. So that's our solution to continue cleaning it. So for now, bye for now, guys. So don't forget, these are the 2 ingredients. Just water and the lemon, and using this one to clean. Okay, bye for now. Thank you so much for watching, and see you again next time.